Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and today's video we're going to talk about the best gain deals for the week of the 21st of August. So to get these two guys to stack, you get $10 of savings on a $25 basket. A couple of rules for you guys. The biggest savings are on the 21st. If you're going to go before that, it's an extra $5 because the 5 off of 25 works only on Saturdays. Again, the biggest savings where you get that $10 off is on the Saturday. You really got to pay attention when you're in the store that you're grabbing the right gain items. So definitely open up that Dollar General app and scan the barcodes to ensure that the 5 off of 20 is attaching. Now, if you have issues where you're living where that the two just don't stack, there is a paper booster that shows up on the bottom of your receipt, a 5 off of 25. I'll show you one here in a quick second. That actually works with the 5 off of 20, and I tried it last weekend and it worked. I had a friend that was having a bunch of issues. We talked through it and then we both tried it, and it's not, the changeover hasn't happened here where you can't stack the two, but we did try it and it actually worked. So I'll talk about that here in a quick second. Now, if you run into some big issues where, smoke is coming out of the cash register, void your transaction. And for the purposes of this video, these are Michigan prices. So if you're living in a different part of the United States, it might be more, it might be less. So really pay attention when you're in the store of the price points and what you're buying. Okay, guys, so if you're at the Dollar General the week previous, these show up at the bottom of your receipt. And yes, you can pair this with the 5 off of 20. So that is like the little thing that works. I had a friend that was having a lot of issues and she couldn't get it to work. And then she tried it and I tried it. And yes, it does in fact work with the 5 off of 20. This one is obviously the wrong week. You'd need one for the 21st. But just to give you the visual of what does it look like. And here is the receipt. I got this basket down to $4.42. I did use a couple paper coupons with. That's how I got it so low. But yes, both the digital, the 5 off of 20, along with the paper one, they do in fact work in harmony. Okay, so a quick question that I'm getting a lot is about the clearance event that's taking place this Friday to Sunday. Now, the freebie guy over on Instagram was courteous enough to post this. And a lot of people think that POG and the clearance section are in fact included, but it's how the list was typed up, because if you look here, it says reduced clearance price, : A lot of people are not putting the word price in there, so people are thinking, oh, clearance section is part of this. It's very selected summer products, and if you look at the exclusions, coolers, charcoal, fans, blah, blah, blah. So they're really limiting what you can and cannot buy. So if you are in there doing other shopping, if you love summer stuff, maybe look through what they have, but it's a very limited pool of stuff that's going to be part of this clearance event. Okay, guys, first deal that we're going to talk about is 100% digital. So we're going to need our two friends, which is the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. If it doesn't work, the 5 off of 25 digital, use the paper one as instructed. This stack will work just as good. Okay, so the first item that we're going to grab is off this bingo list. It's any product for $3.95, where the $2 digital and the 5 off of 20 are in fact attaching with the product. Well, some things are quite predictable with my matchups. I'm going to go with a fabric softener because I have some freaking problems. I always go with this one. I don't know why, guys. I just love fabric softener. Okay, so I would scan this product first. The second product you're going to get the cashier to scan is one of these for $13.50. We have a $3 digital. Again, that 5 off of 20 must be attaching, so you get to your basket of $20. And I really have been loving these larger ones. For whatever reason, this one, it's called Blissful Breeze. It works perfectly with the $3 and the 5 off of 20. I think original was not attaching last weekend if you were out and about shopping, but this one, it's working, and this is a really pleasant scent detergent. These are the digitals that you need loaded, the $3 for that larger one, the $2 for the fabric softener. And then when you're scanning both in store, see that 5 off of 20, that's what you need to be attaching to both as well. To get our basket right to that $20 price point, let's grab one of these Febreze with gain. It must have the word gain on the packaging for $3. And then we have this digital that's attaching, plus the 5 off of 20 is in fact attaching with this product. Now we're also going to grab this 10-count bag of the Bic Sensitive 2. This is $7 on the nose. Yes, $7 for this bag of razors. Wow. And we have this $5 digital that is in fact attaching. So hopefully you have this guy locked and loaded. All right, guys. Now we're grabbing one Gain fabric softener for $3.95, one Gain detergent, the 150 ouncer for $13.50, one Febreze with the Gain scent, the Air Effect for $3 on the nose. If you add all of that up, your total for your Gain is $20.45, thus that 5 off of 20. Yes, that's going to work. And then we're also throwing in one Bic Men's for $7. The new total is $27.45. So as the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, you punch in your phone number into the keypad. 5 off of 25 Saturday, 5 off of 20 Gain digital coupons are coming off, along with $11 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $6.45 out of pocket for the 4 items, shaking it out to $1.61 per product. Alrighty, guys. Now, if you might have this insert coupon, this was from the August the 1st Smart Source. So if you bought a newspaper a couple of weeks back, there's this $2 coupon. That 5 off is a Dollar General coupon. This is the manufacturer. So guess what? Yes, you can throw in a $2 coupon to the mix of this. So just to look at the mathematics again. Okay, so one Gain fabric softener, $3.95, one Gain detergent, 150 ouncer for $13.50, one Febreze Air Effect with the Gain logo for $3, and then the bag, the 10 count of the Bic Men's razors for $7. So your total here is $27.45. As the cashier was scanning all of your products, that's when you punch in your phone number. When the cashier scans the final product, which is the men's razors, that's when you're going to hand over that $2 coupon from the Smart Source of August the 1st. He or she will scan it and then hit the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 will be coming off, along with $11 of digital manufacturers that we showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $6.45 out of pocket for the 4 items, shaking it out to $1.11 per product. How awesome is that? Okay, guys, final deal that we have again is with digital coupons. Oh my gosh. So we need our 2 best friends, which is the 5 off of 25 along with the 5 off of 20. Alternatively, you could use 1 paper, 1 digital. And then we're grabbing 2 of these guys, the Mr. Clean with the Gain logo. Please make sure you're grabbing the right one. They are $3 on the nose. And then we have this $1 off 2 that's attaching to that original scent. We're going to grab one of these guys for $3.95, a Gain fabric softener. And then just to change things around, this is a tremendous value. The Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50. You get a lot of pods in there. Okay, so the digitals that you need for this one is the $3 for the Flings, the $2 for the fabric softener, and then the 5 off of 20 that's attaching to both. Okay, and then we're also grabbing this guy, the Febreze Unstoppable, the Touch fabric spray fanciness for $4. I still haven't bought a single one of these. What is wrong with me? I wanted to get a bunch and I always forgot. So I'm going to have to get at least one this next go around. And we have this $2 digital, which is like a really generous coupon. If the product's 4, it drops it down to $2. So like, hi, some savings there. So 2 of the Mr. Clean with the Gain scent, $3 each is $6. 1 Gain fabric softener, $3.95. 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50. 1 Febreze, I'm going to call it a Touch, $4, for a total of $27.45. As the cashier is scanning everything, that's when you punch in your phone number on the keypad at checkout. The cashier presses the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 are coming off, along with $8 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $9.45 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking it out to $1.89 per product. Get out there on Saturday. This stuff is dirt cheap. If you love Gain, this is the weekend to do it. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.